Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary convenience with our top 5 best kitchen appliance packages of 2024. We've researched and tested the most innovative and efficient products on the market. From smart refrigerators to high-tech ovens, these packages promise to transform your kitchen experience. But that's not all. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal an appliance that has revolutionized kitchen design in a way you wouldn't believe. Don't miss out on this exciting journey into the future of cooking. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. MuellerLiving Hand Blender. Number 4. Longzon 4-in-1 Knife Sharpener. Number 3. Victoria Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Number 2. Electric Spin Scrubber Cordless Cleaning Brush. Number 1. Zulay Kitchen Powerful Handheld Foam Maker.